If you're wondering how you can import your Google contacts to your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now, as you can see, these are all the contacts on my iPhone. But if you want to import all the contacts from your Google account down to your iPhone, then just follow these steps. First of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now, if you're not signed into your Google account on your iPhone, then just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Mail app. Then tap on it. From here, just tap on Mail Accounts and tap on Add Account. And on this screen, just tap on Choose from a list. And from this list, just select Google. Tap on Open Browser, and from here, you can log into your Google account. Now, after you log into your Google account, it will ask you which services you want to enable on your iPhone. Just make sure you enable the toggle for contacts. And after you do that, you will import all your contacts from your Google account down to your iPhone. Now, if you're already signed into your Google account, but if you forgot to enable the toggle for contacts when you were setting up your Google account, then just follow these steps. First of all, just go back. Now, in the main settings page, just tap on Apps. Now, this time, instead of the Mail app, just look for the Contacts app. After you find the Contacts app, just tap on it, then tap on Contact Account. Select your Google account. Now, as you can see, this is our Google account, and from here just make sure you enable the toggle for contacts. And after you do that, you will import all your contacts from your Google account down to your iPhone. Now, as you can see, if we open the Contacts app, as you can see, we have successfully imported all our contacts from our Google account to our iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can import Google contacts to your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.